Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can save song in SoundCloud. So basically, what happens is you like a song and you want to listen to it again someday. So you want to save it. So how you can do it? Just let me teach you a very easy step and just follow me. And if you have any queries or any problem within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let me just start. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your SoundCloud and then search for the song that you want to save. So let me go with a random song like this. So let's go with over here, hip hop, something with therapy. And then let's say I want this song to be saved. So how I can do it? I can like this track and it will be saved in the like track option. So let me just do it. Over here, three dots, and then go to like, and then just go to library, and then go to like tracks, and then over here you can see the song has been saved over here like this. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.